Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make your company logo using Designhill. Designhill Logo Maker is AI powered tool that lets you design a professional logo on your own. You can easily create logos, business card design, t-shirt design, letterhead design by using Designhill. So let's start the video. Suppose my company's name is Pet Shop BD. I am typing Pet Shop BD. Now I click on enter. Here you can see pick 5 or more design style you like. You can select 5 design as your requirement. So I select this one, this one, this one and this one. Now I click on continue. After that you can choose different color for your design. Here I use this color, then green. Now I click on continue. Here comes the slogan. Type the slogan which you use in your company. My company's slogan is Pet Shop and Clinic. Then you select industry option. Since my company is about pet and animal, so I select pet and animal option. Then I click on budget. I select my budget $1 to $99. Now select the company size. I select 0 to 10 for company size. So click on continue. Here you can choose up to 5 symbols or you can skip the step. Here I type dog, cat and store. Then I click on continue. Now here comes the most interesting part. The Designhill AI already designed more than 100 logos for your company. You can choose any design for this. Now I choose my logo. So viewers, I choose this design. Now I click on edit logos. Now you will see an interface like this. You can edit your design and change background. With that you can make different things for branding. Now I am changing background first. In background I select white color. Now I update this. Now select the font and update this color. Now change the font. I am selecting this font. I am select this font and resize the slogan. That's okay. Now I increasing the size of my logo. Now I select this. So if you want to symbolize your logo, then you can change it. Now I click on buy option. Here you can see 3 options: basic, premium and enterprise. In $20 you can have basic resolution logo file. In premium you can get full ownership, lifetime phone support and etc. If you want to buy enterprise, in that case you can get best services like customize your logo with our designer. Since I choose my design, so I select premium option. After that, here comes some more option: business card design, t-shirt design, etc. If you add more $20 with previous amount, you can design your own business card and many more, some adding some dollar. As I need the design only, so I don't select all those. Here comes the payment option. You can pay from your debit card or Visa card or MasterCard. You can also use PayPal for payment. Now comes the exclusive offer, that is you can get 20% discount by using DA's logo 20 as a coupon code. Here I apply the coupon code. After discount I have to pay only $52. Now you can go for purchase. I am giving the Designhill logo makers link in the description box. You can go and visit the website. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.